Welcome to Shaping eCommerce with IronPlane. This is where we talk about e-commerce development, solutions, digital marketing, and all things e-commerce. Be sure to check out the description below each video to find additional resource links and show notes. We upload new videos each day. Please like and subscribe to our channel. In this episode, Project Manager Kristen Jordan discusses some of the out-of-the-box marketing and SEO integrations of the BigCommerce platform. Plus, she talks about one of the most important aspects of any e-commerce website, security. Today, I'm back with Kristen Jordan, who's one of our project managers here at IronPlane. And in this episode of the series, Kristen will be discussing some of the various plugin options, marketing integrations, and one of the most important aspects of any e-commerce website, security. Does BigCommerce have tools to help store owners manage and execute some of their digital marketing plans? And what are some of these tools?
BigCommerce is actually known for being one of the better platforms for built-in marketing tools. It already comes loaded up with the ability to create banners, promotions, coupon codes. It also has the ability to track abandoned cart and create customized messages.
Okay, and then do they offer plugins to help store owners with SEO optimization?
So one of the really great things about BigCommerce is that while there are more in-depth plugins available that you can get, you likely won't need them because BigCommerce offers so many of them out of the box. Some of those are SEO-friendly URLs that are already populated, but you also have the ability to change the URLs if you want to tweak those to maximize your SEO. Every page already has a unique URL. BigCommerce also has the ability to enhance your search result listings it has built-in microdata or rich snippets. And you can also easily track redirects and URL changes. So those are some of the features that are right out of the box with BigCommerce. The BigCommerce dashboard also includes a whole analytics section, so you can have an in-depth look at how your site is performing and how different pages are doing.
Great. So is it easy to create landing pages that allow for campaign tracking?
Yes, adding pages is very easy to do within BigCommerce, and you can do those for lots of different things, for your About Us page, or you can do it for things like landing pages if you're running a certain promotion. You create it right from the dash. You can include your call to action buttons, your contact forms, and you can even, if you want to just check a box, that would make your newly created landing page your homepage for whatever time span you designate.
So since social media is such a vital digital marketing channel for e-commerce brands to boost sales, does BigCommerce offer social share plugins or integration on product or landing pages?
Yes, as I mentioned, I think in an earlier segment, BigCommerce has the ability out of the box to promote marketplace items on your site as well as manage them on the back end. So if you are a person who sells items on marketplace, Instagram, Facebook, eBay, any of those, BigCommerce is a really solid platform for you. If you do need some more in-depth social media sharing features, there are some apps available as well to increase usability.
And then what about email integrations with different email platforms?
This is another spot where BigCommerce has a lot to offer. There's an entire section in the dash which comes loaded up with email templates that are ready for you to customize and personalize to your business. You can also create emails from scratch as needed. There's also a lot of apps for email integrations, including some of the bigger names like Constant Contact and MailChimp.
So finally, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of e-commerce websites, which is security. So are BigCommerce websites secure?
Yes, absolutely. The entire BigCommerce platform is built with an eye to security. Because it's a SaaS platform, your organization is not responsible for maintaining servers, installing updates or patches on the servers when vulnerabilities are discovered. That is all in the hands of BigCommerce. And BigCommerce does have the highest levels of security certifications, and all stores are protected by multiple security layers like firewalls, file integrity, scanners, and intrusion detection. So you are covered and you don't need to do anything as far as that goes, like you would with an open source platform.
Okay, and then what about protecting websites from hackers? How does the BigCommerce platform help keep customer data secure?
So BigCommerce keeps customer information safe and secure by encrypting sensitive information like payment data, and that's done in transit, which means it never comes to rest on the BigCommerce infrastructure. So it's never that private personal information that we want to keep safe is never living on the BigCommerce site. It's always in transit.
So are there any additional costs for this level of security?
No, there are no additional costs for security on your BigCommerce site. That's all rolled into your monthly fee, the complete coverage.
All right, thanks, Kristen. This has been a great overview of BigCommerce and the various plugin options and marketing integrations. And of course, we covered one of the most important aspects of any e-commerce website, which is security. So make sure to check out our playlist for all 3 episodes of this series. And thanks, Kristen, for all the great information on the BigCommerce platform. Thank you.
Thank you.
For more insights on how to improve your e-commerce website and for a free consultation, visit IronPlane.com. Follow us on social media and like and subscribe below.